Imagine a wild creature so adaptable that every attempt to reduce its numbers only makes it stronger. Coyotes have conquered vast landscapes, from untamed wilderness to bustling cities, thriving alongside humans in ways few animals can. Did you know they can sprint faster than an Olympic gold medalist, solve complex problems, and even count? These surprising skills make coyotes one of nature's most fascinating survivors. As we explore these astonishing facts, you'll discover a predator that isn't just surviving but flourishing through intelligence, social sophistication, and unique behaviors. 25. Memory masters. Coyotes possess an impressive memory that helps them survive in complex environments. They can remember specific locations where food was once found, safe routes through their territory, and areas where danger was encountered. Studies and observations suggest they may even recognize individual human faces over long periods. By storing and recalling these experiences, coyotes adjust their behavior accordingly, avoiding threats while repeatedly returning to places that once provided reliable opportunities. If you think this is surprising, wait until you see the next one. 24. Multiplying under pressure. When coyote populations face intense hunting or control efforts, something surprising happens. Their numbers often rebound even faster. Females begin breeding at younger ages and litters grow noticeably larger than usual. In many areas, a higher percentage of females reproduce in the same season. This biological response, known as compensatory reproduction, allows coyotes to quickly replace lost individuals, making traditional population control efforts far less effective than many people expect. 23. Speed demons. Coyotes can sprint up to 43 miles per hour, a burst of speed that rivals many of North America's fastest animals. Even more impressive, they can maintain a steady 20 miles per hour over long distances, allowing them to chase prey across open terrain without tiring quickly. Their long legs, lean bodies, and powerful muscles give them remarkable endurance, helping them outlast prey and navigate vast territories with ease. 22. Super canine hybrids. In parts of North America, a remarkable hybrid known as the coy wolf or eastern coyote has emerged. These animals are the result of interbreeding between coyotes, wolves, and occasionally domestic dogs. The mix has produced a larger, more powerful canine that can be up to 40% bigger than western coyotes. Combining the wolf's strength with the coyote's adaptability, coy wolves thrive in forests, suburbs, and even near major cities. 21. Ultimate survivors. Coyotes are among the most adaptable mammals in North America, thriving in environments that range from the scorching deserts of Death Valley to the frozen tundra of Alaska. Their success comes from an extraordinary ability to adjust diet, behavior, and activity patterns depending on local conditions. When food becomes scarce, they shift prey and feeding habits, conserve energy, and alter hunting times, allowing them to survive and flourish where many predators cannot. 20. Nature's musicians. Coyotes communicate through an impressive range of sounds using at least 11 different vocalizations that include howls, yips, barks, and whines. Each call can carry a specific message, helping individuals locate one another, defend territory, or signal danger. Even more fascinating, a single coyote can rapidly shift between multiple calls, creating the illusion that a much larger pack is present, a clever acoustic trick that can intimidate rivals or potential threats. 19. Night vision specialists are highly effective nighttime hunters thanks to their exceptional night vision. Their eyes contain a reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum, which allows light to pass through the retina twice, greatly enhancing visibility in low-light conditions. This adaptation enables coyotes to see roughly 5 times better than humans in the dark, helping them detect even slight movement while hunting. Combined with sharp hearing and wide peripheral vision, it makes them formidable nocturnal predators. 18. Weather-ready design. Coyotes are built to withstand harsh weather thanks to their double-layer coat. A dense, soft undercoat traps body heat and provides strong insulation during freezing temperatures, while longer guard hairs repel moisture, wind, and snow. This natural protection allows coyotes to remain active even in severe winter storms. When seasons change, they shed the thick undercoat in spring, and birds often collect the soft fur to line their nests. 17. Loyal partnerships. Coyotes are known for forming strong pair bonds that can last many years, sometimes for life. A mated pair works closely together, sharing responsibilities such as hunting, defending their territory, and raising pups. This partnership strengthens over time as the pair learns each other's movements and strategies during hunts. Their cooperation not only improves hunting success but also helps protect their young and maintain stability within their territory. 16. Smart problem solvers. Coyotes possess impressive intelligence that helps them survive in constantly changing environments. In controlled studies, they have demonstrated the ability to solve complex problems, including figuring out how to open latches and access hidden food. They also learn quickly by watching other animals and remembering successful strategies. In some cases, coyotes even manipulate objects or use simple tools, showing a level of creativity and adaptability rarely seen among wild predators. 15. Sophisticated social structure. Coyote packs are built around a dominant breeding pair, often called the alpha male and female, along with their offspring from previous seasons. This tight-knit family structure allows members to work together efficiently. Older siblings may help feed and protect younger pups, while several pack members take turns watching the den. 14. Versatile hunters. Coyotes are remarkably flexible hunters, capable of adapting their strategy depending on the prey and environment. They often hunt small animals alone, silently stalking rodents, rabbits, and birds. In snowy regions, they use a technique called mousing, leaping high and plunging headfirst into the snow to capture hidden prey with surprising accuracy. Strap your seatbelt because the next one is going to blow you away. And if you find these facts interesting, make sure to click like and subscribe for more. 13. Urban adaptability. Coyotes have proven remarkably capable of adjusting to life in major cities. Instead of avoiding urban areas, they learn to navigate them with surprising skill. Many city coyotes study traffic patterns, crossing roads when vehicles slow or stop. They also take advantage of artificial lighting, which helps them spot prey at night, and they often move through hidden corridors like drainage systems, railway lines, and tunnels while carefully avoiding busy human activity. 12. Ecological engineers. Coyotes play an important role in maintaining the balance of many ecosystems. By hunting rodents, rabbits, and other small animals, they naturally control populations that might otherwise grow too large. Their presence also keeps smaller predators such as foxes and feral cats in check. This ripple effect helps protect plant life and supports greater biodiversity, making coyotes a key species that quietly shapes and stabilizes the environments they inhabit. 11. Territorial sophistication. Coyotes maintain their territories through a complex system of scent marking and vocal communication. They create scent posts using urine and gland secretions that carry detailed information about the individual, including age, sex, and reproductive condition. These chemical signals warn rivals that the area is already occupied. 10. Disease controllers. Coyotes quietly contribute to healthier ecosystems by helping control the spread of certain diseases. By hunting rodents such as mice and rats, they reduce populations that often carry ticks responsible for transmitting illnesses like Lyme disease. Coyotes also act as scavengers, consuming animal carcasses that might otherwise become breeding grounds for bacteria and parasites. 9. Multi-talented predators. Coyotes are far more versatile than most predators. In addition to running and hunting on land, they are capable swimmers and can cross long stretches of water when searching for food or new territory. Some individuals can even climb low trees or steep slopes to reach prey. In coastal regions, coyotes have been observed catching fish in shallow water and gathering shellfish during low tide. 8. Natural medicine users. Coyotes have been observed practicing a fascinating behavior known as zoopharmacognosy, the instinctive use of natural substances to treat illness. When sick or infested with parasites, they may seek out specific plants and herbs believed to help cleanse their digestive system. Some plants can act as natural purgatives, helping them expel parasites. 7. Advanced learning coyotes display remarkable learning abilities that extend beyond simple instinct. Adult coyotes actively guide and teach their pups important survival skills needed to thrive in their environment. Young coyotes learn where to find reliable food sources, how to hunt effectively, and which areas are safe to travel. In urban regions, adults may even demonstrate safe paths around roads and human activity, passing on valuable knowledge that helps the next generation survive. 6. Climate change adapters. Coyotes have shown an impressive ability to adjust as environmental conditions change. As climates shift and ecosystems transform, they modify their breeding schedules, expand into new territories, and adapt their hunting strategies to match available prey. This flexibility has allowed coyotes to spread into regions where they were once uncommon. 5. Seed dispersers. Coyotes contribute to plant diversity in ways many people never notice. In addition to hunting animals, they regularly eat fruits such as berries, apples, and other seasonal plants. As they travel across large territories, the seeds from these fruits pass through their digestive system and are deposited in new locations. This natural process spreads seeds from more than 40 plant species, helping forests and grasslands regenerate and maintain healthy plant diversity. 4. Cultural significance. Coyotes hold a special place in many Native American traditions, appearing in hundreds of stories passed down through generations. Often portrayed as clever tricksters, these characters represent survival, adaptability, and the ability to outwit challenges. Through humor and mischief, the coyote figure teaches important lessons about human nature and resilience. Many of these traditional stories also reflect keen observations of real coyote behavior and their remarkable ability to endure in changing environments. 3. Pack decision-making. Coyote packs display surprisingly complex group coordination when making decisions. Instead of one individual directing every movement, members often communicate through a combination of vocalizations, postures, and subtle body language. These signals help the group determine when to travel, hunt, or defend their territory. Through repeated interactions and social cues, the pack gradually reaches a shared decision, allowing the group to act together efficiently and maintain strong cooperation within the family unit. 2. Resource managers. Coyotes show a surprising ability to manage the resources within their territory. Rather than hunting the same area repeatedly, they often rotate their hunting grounds, giving prey populations time to recover. Packs may also adjust their size depending on the amount of available food in the environment. By balancing hunting pressure with resource availability, coyotes help maintain a steady food supply and improve the long-term survival of their group. Don't leave just yet, because our number one pick will blow your mind. 1. Mathematical minds. Coyotes may possess a surprising sense of numbers that helps them make smarter decisions in the wild. Some research suggests they can distinguish between small quantities and possibly count up to 5. This ability allows them to quickly assess situations, such as determining the size of a rival group or deciding whether they have enough pack members to challenge larger prey. Such numerical awareness gives coyotes an extra advantage when navigating risks and opportunities. If you enjoyed discovering these surprising facts about coyotes, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife insights. Your support helps us bring you deeper knowledge about the natural world and the amazing animals we share it with. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the wonders of nature with us.